How to create a will. My name is Wanda Rochelle, and I'm a licensed realtor and probate specialist here in Georgia. How to create a will. Let's talk about it. The first thing you want to do is carefully consider the following questions. Are you married? Do you have children under the age of 18? If you were to pass away, who would be the guardian for your children? Do you own real estate? Do you own a business? Are there any people that you do not want to receive any assets? Will the assets be given out equally? These are some things that you want to carefully consider. The next thing you want to do is select an executor, and that is a huge decision. You want to make sure that you select a person that will be mature and will be responsible. That person will be in charge of managing all of your assets. Sometimes people name their spouses or their adult children as executors. Can I name more than one person as an executor? I'm so glad you asked that question. That is a common question because suppose a single woman passed away and she had 2 children. She may want to designate both children as the executor just to maintain peace in the family so that it doesn't feel like she's choosing one over the other. Keep in mind, if you select more than one executor, you're putting 2 people or more in a situation where everyone has to agree at all times. This may possibly open the door for disagreements or hard feelings. Those multiple executors are in a position where everyone has to agree on the who, what, when, where for every situation in your probate case. So you definitely want to consider if you want to put your multiple executors in that situation. The next thing to consider when creating a will is to be mindful of any paperwork that may be needed. One of the pieces of paperwork that may be required is a power of attorney. A power of attorney is a form that will allow someone else to act on your behalf. If you look in the description area of this video, I've done a totally separate video that covers power of attorney, and I suggest that you watch that for more clarity. Another piece of paper that you may need will be a HIPAA authorization. A HIPAA authorization is a document that allows you to give someone permission to your private medical records. This is an important document because healthcare workers take this document seriously. So you want to make sure that you have a HIPAA authorization form completed in case a situation arises where someone needs access to your medical records. Now that you have access to this basic information for creating your will, you should be ready to start the process. For your convenience, I have a list of attorneys that I suggest in the description area. You can actually hire an attorney, or you can even create your will online. Finally, it's important to note, if you have a will, that means that you still have to go through probate court. So to break that down for you, let's say you own property. If you own the property and you pass away, and if it's a woman, you leave it to your son. Your son still has to go through probate court, and that would be a long process. So with that said, you may want to consider a trust as opposed to a will. I hope this video has been helpful to you. My name is Wanda Rochelle. I'm a licensed realtor and probate specialist here in Atlanta. Please consider subscribing to the page so you can have an update for all of our notifications. We're here at least once a week providing you valid resources. My team and I are ready to assist you if you have any needs in reference to buying, selling, or investing in real estate. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.